Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get FPS unlocker in Roblox. Okay, first things first, if you have an Android device, you need to open the Google Play Store. Now, you just have to type in Core Booster and you'll find the Core Booster app on the Google Play Store. Next step is to tap Install. Once the installation process is done, just tap on Open or Play. Once here that you are in the app, what you want to do is to press Speed Up Now. Then enable Auto Boost by searching the switch. Now in here, what you want to do is to press Roblox. Then enable the Auto Boost settings for it as well. And then press Boost It Now. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get FPS Unlocker in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.